literally almost peed myself. I have like stomach pain, so it's bad. It's bad. I haven't had a need to pee this bad since like, I don't know. Am I going the right way? I always like to dive. Never a disappointment. But you know, you've seen a lot of reefs and colorful fishes already. Then we went to Manta Point and we saw the mantas. Fuck yeah! And not only one, we saw like 4, 5, 6. They were everywhere. So it was a super successful day. I had like mantas going inside of me, under me, over me, everywhere. So it was amazing. Hello. Hi. How are you? You're so cute. Oh, sweetie. So that dive was really nice. It was beautiful corals, like the most beautiful corals in the reef I've seen. A lot of beautiful fishes. The instructor was super nice. Everyone was super nice. The whole team was super nice. So highly recommend them as well. Now I'm gonna go to Thank you. You come on this road and then you park here and go in there. It's not really a sign, so just park here and go. Now there is a sign over there, but not on the road. And of course, always go barefoot. Like maybe in half an hour, gonna be golden hour, and then we're definitely gonna fly something. Yeah, how about that sexy drone shot, man? Woo! Dinosaur footprints everywhere, obviously. That's beautiful, but go away from that. You come here and you see all these awesome cliffs and even more badass water action. Holy shit! Ah, so scary! Whoa! Whoa! What? Are you kidding me? This is crazy! Shit, the waves almost come up here, look! What? Damn! Shit, that's so cool. Alright, let's go over there because you have better lights. But that's where you come out from the other path. Okay, I don't think this was the path. That's just like jungle. Oh, whoa, look up here. And if you're really cocky, you might even jump out on this one. Should I not? I don't want to die though. Like, is it stuck? It's a quick one. Ah! Let's go back. Gorgeous. Candy. Nom, 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 nom. Oh shit, I need to pee. Run to the bush. This is what guys do when they pee. They just make up fun songs about what they're doing. Cause I'm peeing in the bushes. Pee on the bush. I was like, do you hear a drone or a drill? It's a drill. It's always when I hear a drone, I was like, oh, drone. No, it is a drone. I have good ears. Cliff jumping surfing, 100 meters. Okay, here's where you end up if you take the other way.